18 family. It's your girl Alicia.
It's your girl Ty.
And welcome to our channel. It's the 18th day of Vlogmas.
18th, y'all.
So excited, y'all. We got a fun video planned for y'all. We're going to be doing
what's inside the box.
So y'all might have seen this challenge. We got our box here. You gotta stick your hand to the box.
Yep.
Something mysterious gonna be in here, and you gotta try to guess what it is. You're gonna be blindfolded, and you got what we're gonna do. Two guesses to guess what's inside the box, y'all. This gonna be so funny. I don't know what I got in store.
You don't know what I got in store for you.
She thinks she's gonna get me out, but I'm really about to get her.
I'm about to get you.
Okay.
I'm taking this home.
You think you gonna guess what I got in here?
Yes.
Okay. We finna see. We're gonna jump right into this, y'all. It's gonna be fun. Come on first.
I'll go first.
You gonna go first? Alright, let's get into it. Alright, y'all. Ty said she wanna go first, so cover them eyes. Don't be trying to peek. Don't be trying to cheat. No matter what you feel, do not take this. Do not take this blindfold off your eyes.
Okay.
You hear me?
My heart.
Yeah, I know she be cheating, so I wouldn't be surprised if she take hers out.
Did you take a bite on?
Alright, Ty. First thing in the box. You gotta stick your hand in and try to guess it. Remember, you do two guesses. 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Touch it. You gotta touch it.
Why y'all go?
You gotta smell it, that's cheese.
Broccoli.
Okay. Ty lost this round.
Look.
Look.
Oh, you nasty. Oh my God.
Crawfish. You done broke the hands out. She broke the arms off, y'all. Look, y'all. She done broke the arms off the crawfish. Both of them. So you got your first one wrong. You disgusted.
Disgusting.
Why you disgusted?
That's nasty. Throw it away. Throw it away. Alright, y'all. She got me with that nasty crawfish. That nasty, stinky crawfish. Now it's my turn. You ready for me? Close the eyes. Close the eyes.
Hurry up.
Don't move the box. Don't move the box. You ready?
Nope. I'm scared.
It's okay.
Like, you know you play too much already.
3.
Oh, what's that? What the hell is that?
What's your guess?
Cucumber or eggplant?
Cucumber.
No, I got on the first time. So this was so easy, y'all. I knew from the shape of this. I'm like, you see this part got me because I didn't know if it was an eggplant, but I'm like cucumber. You thought you got me?
Yeah.
Okay, team A, 1, team T, 0, 2. All right, is you ready for me? I called her. She ain't ready for me. All right, y'all. So I had the little baby thing.
Yeah, I'm just warming up.
This how you coming?
I'm just warming up.
Okay, we about to see if you ready for round 2 with me.
Y'all ready? It ain't nothing.
Okay, you about to see.
That little crowd, whatever thing.
But you was scared though.
It ain't nothing.
You was scared. Okay, put that blindfold on. I got something.
Oh, no.
Are you ready?
No.
Why you ain't ready?
My heart is skipping beats.
It should be. Come on. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh! Alicia, what is this, bro? Alicia. What is this? Alicia,
What is it?
so sausages. Sausages?
Nope.
It is sausages.
No, it's not.
I'm gonna throw up. What is this?
Take a let's go.
What is the thing? I'll get it.
Look.
Alicia. Why you play too much? She need to grow
How
up.
you were making no hits and sounds when you hear it?
You need to grow up. Grow up.
You just salty. Why you so salty?
This is so level 1.
But
This
you
is
ain't
so-
get
this
it
is so
though.
level one.
But you ain't get it though.
How did I not get
I think I'm just the best. Yep.
that? You ready for me?
Yep.
You
Come
sure?
on.
Yes, round. You ready for this?
Yep. I guess.
You
I don't know.
positive?
I ain't really ready. Come on.
You not really ready?
Mm-mm.
I tell you go.
No. I thought you was ready.
You ready?
Mm-mm.
1, 2, 3, go.
A toy slaughter. A toy lobster. What kind of toy insect? Not a great. I said a toy some.
No, he didn't say
Well, I said a
something.
toy insect.
Don't matter, man.
I'm better than you. I can't do it because I'm better than you. You got to come with it because clearly I can't even play. I don't know what you can't
No,
do.
y'all, I wanted to get a real one. But she better not pay anything.
Come on, you got to lose
It
your
wasn't
hand.
gonna get loose.
How?
It wasn't gonna
They
get loose.
jump.
It wasn't
It
gonna
could have jumped right
It
after the
was
toe.
gonna be inside the container.
And I still got to
It
stick
was
my
gonna be
hand
inside
inside
the
there.
That's what I'm saying. She don't want to play the real deal since I was born.
I'm playing. Mine's been real deal. Next round. She ain't ready for this one, y'all.
What's funny?
I'm trying to smell stuff. You chasing. Ready? You ready, Freddy?
No.
1, 2, 3. I said you can't smell it. You say cheating. Why is you cheating?
I know it's something you get from the butcher. You get it from the butcher, right?
I can't give you no hint. You gotta take 2 guesses.
Salmon.
You can pick it up.
I can pick it up.
Yeah.
Dog food.
No.
You know what I'm talking
No.
about? It's raw meat.
Your 2 guesses over.
No, I'm not done.
It was 2.
Ew! I just felt the teeth.
You ready to take a While you was trying to smell it, that's what you get. Not you about to throw up.
Oh, really?
You about to throw up. It's your pride. I'll see y'all.
Last.
She ain't come to play, honey.
I came to play.
Play.
Y'all see how she brought stuff in here?
Everything I brought was dead. I played by the rules.
Honestly, I don't care if you get this right or not.
You just a hater. I already won anyway. You ready to hear some here?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
This is my magic ball. My what's it called? What's the thing called? What's the name of it? This is what this is. This is my thing.
What's that?
A snow globe. Ding 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 ding.
Bruh.
I gotta come up with the game this time, cause that don't make no sense how Alicia keep in the back.
I just come with it.
Alright, come on now. What are we doing?
Team A come with it. Alicia, I got basically.
First of all, you need to follow your own.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I said don't bring nothing that can be let loose. Like something that if we touch it, it can jump out and be running around the house. That's why I said that was the only rule I said, y'all. See, you have been a sore loser. Why anytime I win?
You won.
Why anytime I win, you be a, no, you're not. You be a sore loser.
I'm the brother.
I did that. I can't play.
Nice win.
I'm real salty, y'all. Do you want part 2?
I want part 2. I would do part 2.
Come me down right now, Team A, because your girl killed the game. I got all my rights.
So,
And I had the best ones for you.
You only had one. That was the best.
Both.
The crab.
At least 2.
2. I had 2 that was the best.
The snake I only messed up because I should have put the phone in the bottom so it be hissing in the box. That's the only way I messed up on that one. But still, I still did better than you. Just give me my crown.
You did.
Thank you. Challenge queen. She's still over here salty, y'all. Why you mad?
Cause it's not fair.
Is you upset? Is you mad? It's not fair. It's
if I would have
okay.
brought the women in here,
Then you would have got knocked out. No, you don't do that. I said no real nothing. The stuff I brought, it wasn't real. I enjoyed this challenge, y'all. It was fun. Comment down below if y'all enjoyed it. Ty ain't enjoyed y'all.
I didn't, so we're
But
gonna
it's okay. It's okay, because I'm the challenge queen now. Thank you. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you know every time we post a video.
All right, y'all. Peace.